All right, hey there, everybody. Meteorologist Greg D here at Channel 3. A quick little weather update about a storm system that'll be moving in tomorrow. Winter returns to northeast Ohio, so I wanted to make sure that you are prepared and ready to go. Rain showers around today, not a big deal. The big system is back to the west. You can actually see it here on the map. I'll take a look at all the snow flying across Wisconsin, Minnesota, down toward Iowa. You can definitely make out a spin. That's an area of low pressure that's heading through Iowa. And that low pressure is going to shift east overnight and into tomorrow. Look what's behind it. Plenty of cold air. 51 Indianapolis, 43 Detroit, Cleveland's near 50 as well. We've got some sun breaks today, but the colder air arrives overnight, and then we're going to fall back to more typical weather. I mean, I can't say this is anything crazy or anything extreme. This is just typical late January weather. Temperatures in the 30s. You get that wind over the lake, and you know what we're talking about. Lake effect snow. Amounts, though, tomorrow may not be that big of a deal, but it certainly will look wintry, so I want to make sure that you stay ahead of this one. 8 o'clock tonight, no problem. Cloudy skies, maybe a shower in Lorraine, Cleveland, Meadow. We're kind of looking at that lakeshore area. That's where I'm focusing the forecast. South of the lake, there also will be some lake effect snow, though there may be lighter amounts, and as you'll see, maybe not as much in the way of accumulation. By midnight, we're still around 40, so snow is now a concern, not a concern. Starting about 4 or 5 tomorrow, we may start to see some snow showers, snow flurries pop up. This model is really increasing the snow by 8 a.m. I got to tell you, the other model data I've checked out this afternoon really doesn't have the wind shifting off the lake until maybe 10, 11, 12 tomorrow, midday, late morning, that type of a deal. In that case, it would take a little bit longer for the snow to start, and that may be the case. Regardless when it starts, it's not going to be a huge concern to the roadways because look at the temperatures. They're in the mid-30s, and they'll stay in the mid-30s through the afternoon. So midday, there may be snow in the air. The big question is how much of it is actually going to be on the ground and how much of it is going to be impactful snow. In this case, there may not be a lot. The actual impacts from the snow may be very, very minimal. So I'll take you back to the map here as we go into 8 o'clock tomorrow. Notice snow showers noon. More snow showers, temperatures in the mid-30s, and then even tomorrow evening for the evening drive, there may be snow in the air, but notice in Lorraine, maybe mixing with rain because of a still warm lake of 35 degrees. In Cleveland and Meadow, snow squalls are possible in snow showers, but with a temperature of 34 and 35, you may not be getting much in the way of accumulation. And that's certainly what we're looking at in terms of the snowfall forecast, a coating to maybe an inch or two in the highest elevations, and I really think most people are going to see less than 2 inches in most spots. Take a look at this closer view as you take a look at tomorrow through 5 o'clock. 2/10, a quarter of an inch, a half an inch of snow is possible. Highest elevation, Geauga, Ashtabula County, may see an inch or two in the highest amount. Most people will see very little. So tomorrow is a very important day to kind of stay social media aware. Get on Facebook, get on Twitter, get on Instagram. You know how to find me. Let me know what's going on. Is it snowing in your house? Let me know if it's snowing outside, mixing with rain. Is it sticking, and to what? Is it sticking to the grass, just the roads? Is it not sticking to the roads, but everything else? That kind of information really helps us kind of alert others and read the radar really well, which may be showing snow in many locations. It just may not be sticking in most locations. Certainly an interesting forecast to watch tomorrow. So that's the latest here. Now it will continue to snow past tomorrow. Snow showers are possible Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Still big questions on timing, amounts, and where the biggest focus for that snow will be. So I'm not going to get into that just yet. Betsy Kling will be here 6, 7, and 11. She's got you covered through the weekend. She'll have some more insight into what's happening this weekend. And of course, I've got another update for you right here on my Facebook page, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, all the social medias coming up again tomorrow. Again, not a big deal for Thursday. Just want to let you know that typical winter weather is coming back to Northeast Ohio. Stay safe, everybody.